Hello YouTube, hope you guys doing well. Well, in this video we will going to see about disc replacement and brake pad replacement in any bike. I just wanted to put a video regarding this because a lot of them facing some issues in their discs and braking system. So just wanted to put the video regarding this. Just unscrew the bolts using the kit. There will be a knob like that, just to remove it. Using a 8M tubular, remove the ABS screw. I just wanted to do this video because my disc plate is gone completely. I just felt some jerking feel whenever I applied the brake. Since it's ABS, it's so risk to have a dented plate. Just remove the wheelbase. So I just plan to change my disc plate. I just used the older disc plate around like 14,000 kilometers. Now just unscrew the screws from the ABS ring. I just also want to tell that it's quite risky to use the disc locks which are available in aftermarket, so that we will just have forgotten to take the lock and ride the bike, so that may be some of the reasons to bend your disc. I just got the new disc from the Bajaj showroom. Just to reassemble it as it is. It's a quite simple process to reassemble this process, the wheelbase. Now just fit with the wheel. Make sure you tight the screws well, not more than the limit, as it can even break the screws, or if you lose it, like it may end in some troubles. Just plug in the ABS screw and tight it again. That's it. We have finished the disc plate change. Now we are going to change the disc pads. There will be some clips, just remove it. You can see the old pads which I have used. Since my pads are gone, I just used a temporary one. You can see the white, some grey color is the new pad which is Bajaj is providing nowadays. Just screw them. the brake will be like somewhat damp for around like 10 kilometers. After that it will be get used to the braking conditions, so that the braking will be superb. It's also similar to the back rear brake also, but for Bajaj Dominar the rear brake is comparatively so powerless, but we can scratch the pads and use it frequent manner. I'm just looking for a good way to power up the rear brakes. I'll just post a video regarding this in future. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.